This 2026 Forest River XLR Nitro 41G14 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Schoolcraft, Michigan, 49087 and is offered for sale by CampNorth RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.